Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Tahir or Mutahir. So far we have learned Nijasah is impurity, things that are najis will make other things najis when they are wet and they are touched by that najis thing. Some things are always najis, like urine and stool, alcohol and beer, blood, dogs, pig. If you touch something that is najis and your hand is wet, then your hand will become najis and you have to wash it in a special way. The special way is called tahara. Tahara means purity. Mutahhir is something that can make a najis thing tahir. Mutahharat is the plural of mutahhir. The most popular mutahhir are water, sun and land.